Alright, so you open your Comfy UI, you choose the image that you want to change, and you already add a mask by using right click and open a mask editor. You already done all that. So it's time to do the real thing. Okay? It's time to use this as a sort of input and then change it. Really simple. You can use this image as a sort of input, and we're going to start from here. Okay, so first, the normal image can't be processed by AI, so we have to using a VAE encode. So VAE, why is this text is huge? Oh my gosh. Can I just like make it smaller? Okay, yeah. So double click, we're going to add a VAE encode in order to process it. We got a pixel, also VAE. And pixel image, right? Image just the pixel data, plug it in. VAE, we need a VAE. So I tend to, focus on the main string, like the main branch of what you want to do, and then if you need something, just add something. Okay, so you don't lost in detail. And we need a VAE. Let's give it VAE. So just to load a VAE loader, and you can just give it VAE. I prefer this one. Plug it in. Okay, let's just put it lower, just to look a little bit nicer. Okay, so all the plugin is ready, and then we're going to continue. We got the latent, and latent, instead of normally we got a case sampler, right? And we just plug this latent as a like a blank latent, something like that, and plug that into the latent image, right? But right now we're not going to do this. And instead of just plugging, we're going to set a noise mask. So basically, the mask is the part that we want sort of treat this as a restricted area where we treat it as a latent, like a bland latent, and then you paint on that restricted area. Okay, so it's a little bit hard to understand at first. I know I did not understand this the first time I tried this, but later I realized that it just whatever you paint, that area becomes the canvas, right? So really simple one. And we got latent. Instead of just plugging here, we're going to add another called set latent noise mask. Okay, and that latent become a sample. Okay, all this image, all this pixel encoded become a sample, and the mask, remember mask is what we paint, that mask will go separately as a mask. So the image will go here, pixel to latent, and as a sample, and the mask will go separately all the way to here as a mask. Okay, so set latent mask, and then we also got a latent, and this time you guess it, latent all the way to latent image. Okay, really simple one. If you think about this, it's really simple. And then you just fill the blank. Okay, so we need a model, we need a positive as well as a negative. So remember, the model here is the model that you want to use to paint the mask area. So that really depends on your style or whatever you want to create. You can do so much more. For example, you want to add some strange things at specific area. You don't need to necessarily to mask a face. You can mask the hand. You want to unmask the background. All that you can do that. This really depends on you. So you can load a checkpoint. Okay, and then you can anything is more like the model is like the anime sort of model. You can use a dream shaper, maybe doesn't really matter. Okay, just choose the model that you want. Right now, I just choose anything as a placeholder. Okay, the model will go all the way. Remember, we got this model here, need to connect it. So model here, add a reroute, and then go all the way to model. Really simple one. And right now we need a positive prompt as well as a negative prompt. So let's do it. So positive prompt, got it here, and then sorry about constantly pausing. I'm running nose. I constantly need to wipe it. Sorry about that. So we got this clip text encode, right? And positive. We can duplicate it. Don't really matter. Let me just move it to somewhere else. Yeah, this is just connecting nodes, so we don't need that much. So positive, negative, really simple. You can change the color. Right now, I don't think it's needed. Just a quick demo. And then you can say this is like anime girl, and there will be so for example, you want changes like anime girl, maybe red eye, and smiling, something like that. Smiling, how to spell that? Smile. Okay. Yeah, something like that. And then you can say ugly, say deformed, like that, or maybe like watermark, and yeah, maybe bad anatomy, or maybe photo. You don't want it to be like a photorealist because it's really just the anime is really flat. So once you got all that, so the input is ready, then we got the latent output. Okay, remember it's still a latent. It's still latent. It's just still can't be treated as an image. So we have to connect this to a VAE decode, and we're still lacking a VAE here. So I believe we already got this VAE. Okay, we already got this VAE here. Just need to reroute this all the way to the VAE. Yes, already connected, and then we got image, right? This we can. I want to bring this back. Save image. Okay. So if you want like quickly compare things, you can just go back to here. Okay. Right now, if you want to single out the image because you load the image, but right now you can't see it, you can just get it out and preview image. Okay, so you can preview image and you can see the result of saved image. Okay, really simple one. And don't forget, you need to fine tuning the here case sampler, because if the denoise is 1, which means to completely wipe out the mask and build it from scratch. Maybe you want that. Okay, so you can try one, and then you can try like a 0. I'm not sure, maybe 0.7, something like that. Just to have some sort of a reference to your original one, and then you can try this. Just try it out, right? Alright, sorry, I almost forgot about the clip. Okay, I did not plug this clip, so got to clip here and clip here, and then you can start. Okay, here's the result. Do change the color of the eye, right? This is more like a purplish eye, my original photo, and then right now you guys can see it's a sort of a red eye. Okay, of course you need to fine tune it, but this is just a proof of a concept. You can do it. You can just simply by masking the area that you want to change and using whatever model that you think suit the change, and just experiment, right? So yeah, I think that's all for this video. Thanks. Don't forget, it's really important for me to give this video a thumb up. I have like serious cold and nose comes like running all the time, so I can this is like all the clothes or all this tissue that I have to use in order to record this video. So please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks, bye.